Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to export Microsoft Planner data to Excel. Now, first of all, let's just go ahead and open up Microsoft Planner and then open up one project that we are looking at. So I have this project called Project Test, and this is what the task looks like. What we can do to go ahead and export this into Excel is to go into the project name, and we should be able to see this arrow right here. So go ahead and click on this, and then this is the option to go ahead and export this to Excel. Just go ahead and click this, and it will go ahead and export this and open this up and download it into your downloads file. When you go ahead and open this up, you should be able to see that everything has been exported in Excel. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.